In a world where artificial intelligence can write, analyze, design, even decide, the real question is what remains uniquely human? Let me tell you this clearly: your degree will not compete with AI, your thinking will. Today, machines can progress data faster than any human. They can generate answers in seconds. But here's what they cannot do: they cannot question intent, they cannot feel empathy, they cannot navigate ethical dilemmas with a human conscience. So, what truly differentiates you in this AI world? Your critical thinking, the ability to challenge, not just accept. Your emotional intelligence to understand people, not just patterns. And your ethical judgment to choose what is right and what is wrong. Because the future does not belong to those who know the most, it belongs to those who think the deepest. So don't just upgrade your skill, upgrade your mindset. Because AI may replace tasks, but it will never replace a thinking, aware, and responsible human mind. This is your Tuesday Thoughtful Touch. Think deeper, lead wiser.